Tesla has reached a new milestone in automation at its Giga Berlin factory. The company has deployed what it calls unsupervised FSD, or full self-driving with no human driver, specifically for internal logistics. This remarkable step allows the vehicles themselves to handle an essential part of the production process. Freshly built Model Y vehicles at Giga Berlin now do something extraordinary. After completing their final quality checks in the so-called light tunnel, the cars power up and autonomously drive themselves through the factory premises. Their onboard cameras, sensors, and self-driving computer guide them along the busy factory routes all the way to the outbound logistics lot. On the way, many of these vehicles even stop at an on-site Supercharger for a pre-delivery charge if it is needed. They then continue their journey on their own, maneuvering through intersections, slowing near workers, and steering safely around obstacles until they reach the outbound lot. There, they park themselves neatly in designated lanes, completely without human intervention. What makes this even more impressive is the scale of the deployment. According to reports, this autonomous system is now in use for 100% of all operations at Giga Berlin. In other words, every single Tesla built at the factory now drives itself from the end of the production line to the outbound yard. It is important to note that this innovation is limited to Tesla-owned property. All the autonomous driving happens inside the factory grounds and not on public roads. In Europe, regulatory approval for full self-driving on public streets is still pending. Nevertheless, this is a major achievement in practical automation. It shows how far Tesla's self-driving technology has come, proving it can handle the unpredictable environment of a bustling factory floor. The vehicles recognize floor markings, navigate around people and equipment, and even pause as needed, demonstrating precision and safety. By removing the need for workers to manually move new vehicles or use forklifts for positioning, Tesla improves efficiency and reduces the chance of minor accidents on the production floor. This seamless movement also speeds up logistics, getting finished cars ready for shipping more quickly. In essence, each Tesla at Giga Berlin is not just a car when it rolls off the line. It is also a self-driving participant in the factory's workflow. It's a glimpse of a future where vehicles are active agents in production and delivery, not just passive products waiting to be driven.